In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a list in AWeber. To begin, make sure you're logged into your AWeber account. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a range of options displayed on your screen. To proceed with deleting a list, first click on the name of your current list at the top left-hand corner of the page. This will open a menu for you. From this menu, go ahead and select the option labeled Manage Lists. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page that shows all of the lists you currently have active in your AWeber account. Here, you can see each list laid out clearly. To delete any of these lists, simply move your mouse over the list you want to remove. When you hover over it, you'll notice a small bin icon appearing at the end of that row. Click on it once. This action will deactivate the selected list. At this point, the list is not yet permanently deleted. It is only deactivated. If you choose not to reactivate this list within the next 29 days, AWeber will automatically delete it permanently after this period. It's important to note that this is currently the only method available for deleting a list in AWeber. Keep in mind that once a list is deleted, you will no longer be able to send emails to the subscribers who are on that list. Additionally, if someone tries to sign up as a new subscriber to this deleted list, they will encounter an error message. And that's how you can successfully delete a list in AWeber.